managing multiple mobile accounts becomes a mess really fast. You've got different profiles, different apps, different logins, and before you know it, you're juggling 3 phones just to keep one workflow running. I've been testing a tool called GeeLark that takes a completely different approach to this problem, and after spending time inside it, I want to show you exactly what it does, how the interface works, and whether it's actually worth using. So by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what GeeLark is, who it's built for, and how every major section of the platform fits into a real workflow. The tool we're working with today is called GeeLark. It's a cloud phone platform, and the core idea is simple. Instead of buying multiple physical devices to manage multiple mobile environments, you create cloud phone profiles and run them from one dashboard on your computer. Everything from proxies to automation to AI content tools lives inside one workspace. If you want to try it yourself, I've left the link in the description below. When you first log into GeeLark, the sidebar on the left tells you everything about how the platform is organized. You've got profiles, proxies, library, AIGC, GeeLark AI, analytics, applications, automation, synchronizer, and API. This is not just a basic Android emulator. It's a full operational workspace for people who run mobile-first workflows at scale. Let's start with profiles because this is the foundation of the entire platform. Each profile is its own separate mobile environment. Think of it like having 5 different phones, but they all live in the cloud and you control them from the same screen. One profile could be for one client account, another for a separate project, another for app testing. The idea is clean separation. One profile, one environment, one workflow. And that matters because when you're managing multiple accounts, the last thing you want is everything bleeding into each other. GeeLark keeps it organized by design. Now, once you're inside a profile, it actually feels like using a real mobile device from your computer. You can open apps, navigate the environment, and run your workflow exactly like you would on a phone. This is where GeeLark becomes genuinely useful because a lot of platforms are mobile first. Some workflows just don't work properly in a browser, and GeeLark gives you that native mobile experience without needing a physical device in your hand. The next section worth understanding is proxies. Each cloud phone profile can have its own proxy setup, which is important if you're running multiple accounts and need each one to have a separate connection. Inside GeeLark, you add your proxy details, test the connection, and assign it directly to the right profile, all from the same dashboard. The reason this matters is that most tools make you handle proxies separately in a different app or a spreadsheet somewhere. GeeLark keeps it connected to the profile it belongs to, which makes the whole setup cleaner and faster to manage. Now let's look at GeeLark AI because this one surprised me. It works like an AI assistant that's actually built around the specific use cases of the platform. You can ask it how to configure a proxy, how to set up automation, or how to post content to TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, or YouTube Shorts. And instead of giving you a generic answer, it walks you through the process inside GeeLark specifically. If you're new to cloud phone workflows, this is genuinely useful because the learning curve here is real. Having something that guides you from inside the platform rather than sending you to documentation makes a difference. Then there's AIGC, which stands for AI-generated content, and this is the section I did not expect to be this developed. Inside AIGC, you have image-to-video, text-to-video, an image generator, and an AI video editor. So if you're managing social media accounts and you need content to post, you can generate that content directly inside GeeLark without jumping to a separate tool. I tried the text-to-video feature with a simple prompt a cozy desk setup, soft morning light, vertical format for social media and it came back as a usable short clip. It's not a replacement for a dedicated AI video tool, but the fact that it's built into the same platform where you're managing your profiles means one less app in your workflow. The application section is where you manage which apps are available across your cloud phone environments. Instead of manually installing and configuring everything from scratch every time you create a new profile, you can organize your app setup here and make it repeatable. For anyone managing several clients or several accounts, that kind of structure saves real time. And then there's automation and synchronizer, which are the advanced layers. Automation lets you build repeatable workflows across your profiles without doing everything manually. Synchronizer lets you mirror actions across multiple profiles at the same time. These are the features that separate GeeLark from a basic cloud phone tool and move it into proper operational territory. Now, who is GeeLark actually for? I'd say it makes the most sense for social media managers, agencies, affiliate marketers, e-commerce teams, app testers, and anyone running mobile-first workflows across multiple accounts. If you only manage one personal account, this is more than you need. But if your work involves multiple profiles, proxies, automation, and content posting at scale, GeeLark brings all of that into one place. The honest take? The biggest strength here is consolidation. Profiles, proxies, apps, AI assistants, content generation, automation, all of it inside one workspace. That's genuinely useful. The thing to be aware of is that there is a learning curve. This is not a casual tool. You need to understand how cloud phones, proxies, and automation connect before it clicks. But once it does, the workflow makes a lot of sense. With GeeLark, you can manage your entire mobile operation from one dashboard without touching a physical device. And for anyone working at scale, that's exactly the kind of platform that changes how you operate. If you want to try GeeLark yourself, I've left the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.